It's another Hub Sound exclusive.
Salute, chat time. It's your homie Big Shark, aka Mr. Westside. You already know what it is. Look here, June 14th, Friday, June 14th. I'm having a big ass barbecue in the Westside. Everybody is invited. Everybody from all sides of town. Bring your kids, bring your grandmama, bring your granddaddy that can't get up and walk. Tell his ass to come on out here and have some barbecue with us, man. I got the blow up slides for the kids, man, so they're gonna get up there and have a good time. Parents, watch your kids when you bring them, though. We got security on deck, so you ain't gotta worry about no bullshit from these little stupid ass niggas. We're gonna get to the fun, we're gonna get to the party. We gonna all leave fat and full, we're gonna have a good time. We got good music, we got good shit to drink. Now that means soda pops and waters for you people that think we're gonna have alcohol at that park, cause we ain't. So if you bring your own, that's on you. But anyway, check it out. Y'all come out and fuck with me, man, because this is my first annual barbecue bash off. So come out and eat your ass off and we all gonna leave happy. Now, it's a non-violent event. This is a non-violent event. So that shouldn't even be, the shit understood don't need to be explained. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all come out here and fuck with me. June 14th in the West Side on that beautiful Friday. We're gonna eat like some pigs, man. We're gonna eat pigs like some pigs. So let's get it, man.
Let these niggas know West Chat in my city. Big Shark, Big Denny. Bought a Glock, it's extended. Got candy green on that Hemi. Let these niggas know West Chat in my city. Big Shark, Big Denny. Bought a Glock, it's extended. Got candy green on that Hemi. Let these niggas know West Chat in my city. Big Shark, Big Denny. Bought a Glock, it's extended. Got candy green on that Hemi. Got wood all in my damn.
Oh yeah, a few things I forgot to mention too, man. We're gonna be giving away shit. But wait a minute, we ain't gonna be giving away shit, but we're gonna be giving shit away. So bring your kids, like I said, man, get them a basket or something. We got the CDs on deck. Any artist in the city wanna bring their CD down, it's a good time to network and shit. Make sure you got shit professionally done. Don't come down there with no motherfucking, you already know what that come with, man. Come with some real shit. Give your shit away, present your shit, have your contact information on it. Network time, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, shouts out. Go to Facebook and like NXTLBL. That's NXTLBL. Next level, man. Go like that shit, man. They're my people, man. Go like Rasta Lounge, man. They're my motherfucking people, man. Oh yeah, go fuck with my nigga already. My nigga DJ, Bay Blue House Records, man. Go like that page, man. You already know what we got going on. We working on the CD right now. Del Castro, that's DELCASHTRO, Del Castro. Go like his shit, he's the top dog right now. The next up and coming underdog in Atlanta, that's him, man. Go like my nigga shit. And Maul Pimp, shout out to my nigga Maul Pimp. What's up, fool? I hope I see you there. I know I'm gonna see you there. All the Tennessee pushers, Frank White, Young Exclusive, Lil E, everybody in the city making good music, man. If I don't forget you, man, goddammit, you know I'm trying to hurry and get this shit done. Don't take offense. Just be your ass there, nigga. We'll talk about it at the party. Westside Gangster, I'm out.
You know I really love this thing, right? This music, I'm passionate about it.
Stack or star.
But I'm just praying she don't take me.
Hip hop, she saved my life. Hip hop, she saved my life. Swear to God,